In China's quest for rural revitalization, ecological conservation has played an important role. In a lakeside village in Yunnan province, the restoration of ecology not only changed the face of the rural region, but also enhanced the quality of life for its residents. Erhai Lake, around 2,000 meters above sea level, is the second largest plateau freshwater lake in China's Yunnan province. Nestled on the western shores of the lake lies Gusheng village, a typical ethnic Bai village with a history of over 1,000 years.
从小的时候，洱海水是比较干净清澈的，我们还喝这个洱海水。
The ear-shaped lake has been deemed a mother lake by locals. Late last century, with the onset of urbanization and the growth of tourism, the way of life for residents near Erhai underwent significant changes. Garbage and untreated sewage were discharged indiscriminately into the lake. The water quality noticeably declined.
80年代以后呢，这里的人口增加，农业灭绝这一块呢，家家户户使用农药化肥，洱海水质呢慢慢变差了。沿途呢出现过蓝藻，我们住在洱海边也闻到了一股臭味。那几年海鸥啊、候鸟啊这些也很少来了。
In January 2015, Chinese President Xi Jinping visited Erhai Lake during an inspection tour. At Gusheng village, Xi stressed ecological protection of the lake and noted that in the building of a new countryside, attention must be paid to preserving local flavour and style, rural landscape, green mountains and clear waters, and letting nostalgia set in. Following Xi's instructions, the local government doubled efforts in improving the ecology, launching a series of campaigns to prevent and control pollution and restore the lake's environment. More than 2,400 guest houses and restaurants by the lakeside, including some in Gusheng village, were asked to suspend business for the building of an expansive sewage interception system. Blue and green algae treatment facilities were established, and 19 sewage purification plants were newly constructed.
一开始做这个洱海保护抢救性治理的话，群众这边呢，他普遍意识还有一点不足。比如说，我们开始修建那个截污体系的时候，好多群众他都不理解。就通过我们讲解之后，圆满的把这些任务都完成了。现在就是污水直排列都没有，整体环境都得到了很大的改善。
各家各户呢做到了试水收集、进行污水处理。 整个村呢都已经覆盖了，达到了不让一滴污水进入洱海的这个目标。
Routine monitoring of Erhai Lake's water quality has been conducted with the support of grid management. To further boost the ecology, 53 households in Gusheng village were among over 1,800 relocated to make way for the construction of an ecological corridor along the lake, with subsidies from the government.
像我家呢，拆了191平米，那几个月我们觉得心里面很难过。现在环境也比较漂亮了，下来这里玩的人也很多，感觉我们之前付出的这个还是非常值得。
In early 2020, President Xi made a second inspection tour in Yunnan and came to another plateau lake in the province. Xi underscored the significance of ecological civilization and green development, and called for continuous efforts to turn lucid waters and lush mountains into invaluable assets. During this trip, Xi also checked water samples from several lakes in the province, including that from Erhai. Xi encouraged locals to further guard and protect the Erhai Lake well. And that is exactly what villages like Gusheng are striving to achieve. In recent years, science and technology have been harnessed in Gusheng village to promote green farming and curb agricultural non-point source pollution, once a major pollution source. In February 2022, a sci-tech courtyard was put into operation in Gusheng village through the joint efforts of 2 universities and the local government in Bali.
像以前我们种这一片田，又肥料很多，现在我们精准施肥、精准化、科学化，污染不到洱海。
通过绿色智能肥料产品的研发和作物绿色生产技术模式的构建，很好地实现了作物生产减排50%、节水40%。
With the introduction of green technologies came improved crop yields and increased incomes.
我们这一片洱海牛香大米，它的品质也很高，价格也能卖到30多块1公斤。我们这几年的这个绿色发展也做得很好，既能保护了洱海，又能让我们老百姓增收，同时也推动了我们的这个乡村振兴。现在村民们深刻地意识到，乡村振兴是离不开生态保护。
The evolution of Gushing village exemplifies the notion of lucid waters and lush mountains are invaluable assets, a core concept of Xi Jinping's thought on ecological civilization. Now, a 129-kilometer-long ecological corridor has fully taken shape surrounding the Arhai Lake. With the limpid waters, many villages in the region, including Gushing, have become popular rural resorts for urban dwellers.
给我最大的惊喜就是洱海吧，当地的环保意识宣传做得比较好，这是大家共同努力的一个结果。希望这个洱海能够一直这么美丽嘛。
这几年呢，来旅游居住的人也比较多，给我们古城村呢也带来了很大的经济效益，觉得很高兴。希望今后呢，我们古城村的村民呢生活得更幸福、更美好。